Hello student, good morning. In previous video, we have seen industrial development. Okay, I hope you will understand very well what is industrial development. Dear student, due to the industrial development, okay, nowadays many unemployment people, okay, they are getting job opportunities. That's why they are improving their living up standard, and okay, they are helping to increase our economy. Okay, today's video, dear student, we will see MIDC, page number 56. What is meant by MIDC? The long form of MIDC is Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation. On the 1st August 1962, in Maharashtra, the state government established the Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation. In our Maharashtra, on the 1st August 1962, MIDC established, and through it set up industries in every district of the state. So, our state government established MIDC 1962 in every district in our Maharashtra. Dear students, what is the aim of to establish that industries? Because their main aim is to increase the production and to give the, you can say, job opportunities. Those people are unemployment, especially local peoples. Okay, they will get job. Okay, means which area is established. Okay, they will get job opportunities. So every district of the state, though this is the centralization of industries is accepted throughout the state. Means the main aim of MIDC is to establish, to do decentralizations of industries all over the state, as well as in the, you can say, in the country. Because all of you know, through the industrializations or through the MIDC, okay, means those people are, you can say, produce raw material, okay, nearby the industrial area. Now they are getting good, or you can say high price to their commodities or to their products through the MIDC, because their raw material is, you can say, they are going in the MIDC for pure, or you can say goods material. That's why we can say their economical condition also is increasing day by day. Like Maharashtra, other states have also established such corporation. So okay, I told you, like Maharashtra in throughout the we can say in the country, means India, means each and every state, okay, they established MIDC. हर स्टेट में MIDC क्या हुआ है, इस्टेब्लिश हुआ है. There are so many advantages of MIDC. Okay, because through the MIDC, our state government as well as our central government, okay, they are getting, you can say, taxes. Okay, and through the taxes, we are increasing our Indian economy. In this industrial state, very often auxiliary industries have been established. Okay, so through the industrial development, through the MIDC, many, means small auxiliary industries are establishing. Okay, they are establishing so many industries, and okay, they are giving job. Okay, they are producing a lot of material, lot of products, lot of commodities. In addition, employment opportunities have been made available to the local people, and okay, they, you can say, they are giving a lot of people job opportunities for the local people. That's why, dear student, due to the unemployments, okay, nowadays many people are migrating toward the rural, means from the rural area toward urban area for the in search of the job. Because due to the, you can say, unemployments, they are not able to fulfill their basic need. That's why they are migrating toward urban area, and near about 50% people are, you can say, working in the MIDC area. So they are getting good job. In facilities necessary for the industries have been made available, and MIDC. Okay, they are doing different type of facilities. Those people are, you can say, working in the MIDC area, and for that government, okay, government are doing, you can say, different type of, you can say, facilities in through the concessional rate. For example, for electricity, water, taxes, okay, road, okay, all these things are doing our state government as well as central government for the, you can say, betterment and for the development of MIDC. Dear student, through the, we can say, this MIDC state, okay, through the MIDC state, they are giving so many concessional, you can say, facilities for the betterment of MIDC. So dear student, in this today's video, okay, we have seen about the MIDC in our state, okay, Nagpur, Pune, Bombay, okay, in such mega cities or districts place, okay, there are MIDC, and in that MIDC, okay, thousands workers are working, skilled worker as well as unskilled worker, okay, they are working, and okay, they are maintaining, or we can say they are improving their economical conditions, means they are earning something, because those people are, we can say, very, you can say, educated, but they are not getting job, but through the MIDC, okay, now they have given good job, and they are, you can say, maintaining their family, they are, you can say, fulfill their basic need. This way MIDC is very important factor, for the improvement of Indian economy. Okay, so dear student, next video we will see next informations of this lesson. Thank you.